के सैटरडे को कर दिया गया है, बिकॉज ऑन संडे नीट एग्जाम इज देयर, UG NEET, undergraduate NEET exam is there, so it has been prepondered on Saturday. अब आपके एग्जाम, नेक्स्ट एग्जाम सैटरडे को होंगे और आंसर ऐप प्लेटफॉर्म पे ही होंगे. I don't think you people might have found any problem. कोई प्रॉब्लम तो आप लोगों को नहीं हुई होगी.
मैम धीरे धीरे जब आदत हो जाएगा तब कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग. हाँ, वेरी नाइस. जब आदत हो जाएगी तो इसी आदत को बनाने के लिए तो हम लोगों ने इतना पहले अडॉप्ट किया है. हम लोगों का फाइनल एम तो इस ऐप के थ्रू आपका हाफ ईयरली एग्जाम लेना था, लेकिन आपके हाफ ईयरली एग्जाम के पहले हम लोगों ने ये हैबिट डेवलप करी, प्रैक्टिस सेशन स्टार्ट की है, क्योंकि आप लोगों का प्रैक्टिस हो जाए और जब फाइनल एग्जाम दें तो आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम कहीं से ना आए.
मैम
हाँ
मैम आपने बोला था मैम मेरा सिर्फ एक ही मैम मैंने दिया है एग्जाम मैम, लेकिन मैम मैंने पूरा एग्जाम मैम दिया था मैम, मेरे पास पेपर भी है उसका मैम. वीकली जो टेस्ट हुआ था,
वीकली टेस्ट वाले में तो एक काम करना, हो सकता है कि किसी तरीके से तुम्हारी कॉपी मेरे तक नहीं पहुंची होगी, तो ऑन दैट डे आई हैव टोल्ड एवरीवन टू सेंड योर कॉपीज. आप मेरे पर्सनल पे कॉपी भेजिए और आपका मार्क्स रेक्टिफाई होगा. वो पूरा. हु इज आदित्य? एक आदित्य है विदाउट प्रॉपर आइडेंटिफिकेशन. ये कैसे स्नैप होमवर्क? इसको मैं ले रही हूँ, अभी मैं एडमिट कर रही हूँ और उसके बाद रिमूव करूंगी सब बात करके.
मैम हम लोग का मैम जैसे कि हम लोग का वो रोल नंबर मैम हुआ था, एक 44 रोल नंबर मैम पहले का रोल नंबर था, और मैम जब बच्चे घटे मैम तो 37 रोल नंबर तक आ गया, तो मैम उसमें नंबर नहीं ना कटेगा. जो पहले 44 लिखते थे अभी 37 जो लिख रहे हैं.
नहीं, उसके लिए मार्क्स नहीं कटेगा, बट थोड़ी सी टीचर्स की प्रॉब्लम बढ़ जाती है. ये अगर कोई रोल नंबर के अकॉर्डिंग अगर मार्क्स देना शुरू करे तो
एडमिशन नंबर तो लिखा हुआ है.
That's why you should ask your class teacher. अगर आप ग्रुप में मैसेज सेंड नहीं कर सकते हैं तो पर्सनल. Okay, I will tell all the class teachers to provide you current roll number list, and you will be stick to that list. Clear? You will be sticking to that list. हाँ, Aditya is there. Aditya, are you listening me? Aditya, are you listening me? Aditya is not answering. He is here. I am going to remove. Yeah, Aditya removed. If he asks to anyone, please. Yeah. I have removed Aditya. Tell me, do you have any problem in any chapter?
No,
किसी चैप्टर से तुम लोगों को कोई प्रॉब्लम है?
नो मैम.
नहीं है ना?
नो मैम.
ओके. ये मैं लिटरेचर से रिवीजन कराऊं या मैं रिवीजन कराऊं आप लोगों को ग्रामर से? टेल मी.
मैम ग्रामर.
Okay. So let me start. With me, I have a question paper of DAV CMC 12 and 13. Very old. Okay. So I am going to read grammar section of that. Section C. हाँ, ग्रामर. It will be better. चलो fill in the blanks. ये सारे चीज कर लेते हैं हम लोग. We will leave rearrange. Rearrange की प्रैक्टिस करने की जरूरत है.
हम किसका?
Rearrange the following sentences. इसकी प्रैक्टिस करने की जरूरत है. चलो हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं.
No, ma'am.
Read the following notes given in the box below and complete the paragraph. Sardar Patel, a famous criminal lawyer, argues in the court, hands over piece
Page
of
number.
paper. Look, you people may write, or you people try to write in your mind. चलो देखते हैं. Looks disturbed, continues,
हम क्या
argument,
करवा रही हैं?
friend, grammar. Friend asks something, replies wife.
And page number.
No, we are not doing it. We are doing extra practice. हम लोग दूसरे जगह से प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. So replies his wife passes away dash sentences death. Sardar Patel was dash. What will be your answer?
Loyal.
Lawyer. Sardar Patel, a famous criminal lawyer. Once, while he was dash. What will be the answer? He was arguing in the court. Okay. While he was arguing in the court. Right. He was arguing in the court. Someone came to him and dashed to him. What will be the answer? One line was there, na? Piece of paper.
A piece of paper.
Handed over a piece of paper. Understood? Handed over a piece of paper. Next question, what is here? He read it and dash for a moment. Looked disturbed for a moment. He read it and looked disturbed for a moment. But soon calmed down. And replied that dash. But soon calmed down and started and continued with the argument. Okay. A friend asked if anything dash. What will be the answer?
Happened.
If anything was serious. He replied that. What did he reply? He replied that his wife had passed away. The friend asked how he could continue with the argument. He replied that his wife couldn't have come back, but his client would have been sentenced to death. So this, what is this? Okay, we practiced grammar over here. Actually, it was direct and indirect sentence. In this way, it was written, but it was example of direct and indirect sentence. And what is the message in the paragraph? That such a dedicated man was Sardar Patel, because he knew very bad thing happened. What had happened? His wife had passed away. But if he would not have continued argument, his client would have been sentenced to death. So he preferred to fight for the client, fight for the truth, instead of giving for
Ma'am,
the,
waiting room.
yes, 2-3 students are there waiting for the personal, waiting for the personal loss. Okay, next. Next I will be doing, that will be, should I write it on blackboard? ये दिक्कत हो रही है ऐसे ना तुम लोगों को?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I am going to write. Wait. Actually, it takes lots of time. That's why I we have
आपका
discussed.
bandwidth लो बता रहा है।
नहीं व्हाट्सएप डाउनलोड कर रहे हैं। टीवी नहीं है, टीवी नहीं, मान लो तुम नहीं देख
What
रहे हो तो
happened?
तुमको दिखाएंगे, पूरा फुल एपिसोड देख लेंगे आज।
आवाज आ रही है? At all? हाँ, so we have discussed question number 7, I think. Now we will discuss question number 8. हाँ, ले dash. Blackboard is visible to everyone?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ले a capital of Ladakh was situated at a height, at a height of 3505 meters, meter, and is towards the east part of Jammu and Kashmir.
तो वॉल्यूम करो ना।
Jammu but Kashmir. The reason is water by the Janskar river just under. Till here it is visible. One line is left. I will be writing later on. So just tell me what is the wrong and what is wrong in the first sentence.
A के जगह द होगा, द कैपिटल.
हाँ, पहला A के जगह
द.
what will be there? A will be replaced by the.
द.
After that, think of the next option.
मैम was की जगह is होगा.
Was की जगह is होगा. चलो, next. At a few places I have written correct, then I rectified and wrote wrong. If you have noticed, you would get.
मीटर की जगह मीटर्स होगा.
मीटर की जगह मीटर्स होगा. मैंने मीटर्स पहले लिख दिया था ना. ओके, हाँ, मीटर को कट करेंगे एंड वी विल राइट मीटर्स. हाँ, नेक्स्ट. मीटर्स के बाद क्या होगा?
मीटर्स के बाद लिखा क्या है?
Meters and is towards the east part of Jammu but Kashmir.
इसकी जगह was होगा.
की जगह एंड.
and कश्मीर.
बट की जगह एंड होगा.
and कश्मीर.
Was will be replaced by and. यहाँ पे मैंने पहले वो and लिख दिया था, फिर मैंने कट करके इसको वो बट किया है. Okay. Next. The reason is water.
water की जगह watered होगा.
Water by the Janskar river.
water की जगह watered.
Watered.
की जगह watered.
Yeah, the river is
Watered.
watered by the Janskar river. उसके बाद तो मैंने लिखा नहीं है. May I rub the first part, first few lines?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Here, river which flows river water, river which flows in the Indus River. Just
Excuse me, ma'am.
just a minute, let me complete the line. Just one line is there. Leh district comprises Leh town or 122 inhabited villages. Yes. What's wrong in the
मैम
first
क्लियर
line?
नहीं
Is
दिख
it,
रहा है, एक बार जो लिखी है उसको पढ़ दीजिए।
visible.
what happened? Which flows in the
Ma'am, blackboard was not visible to me. Ma'am, blackboard was not clearly visible to me.
blackboard is not visible to
हम
you.
थोड़ा सा लैपटॉप को पास ले जाइए।
Is it visible? अब है visible? अब visible?
Yes, ma'am.
क्योंकि अब तो
मैम जो लिखी है उसको एक बार पढ़ भी दीजिए।
हाँ वही तो बता रही हूँ।
हम जो लिखे हैं उसको पढ़ लीजिए एक बार।
Which flows in the Indus River just under. What is wrong in this sentence? No idea.
Which flowed?
हाँ, which flows?
हम पूरा सेंटेंस एक बार पढ़ दीजिए।
Which flows in the Indus River just under.
Ma'am, flowed just below.
Which flows into the. Understood?
Yes.
What's wrong is
Yes,
flows into. Okay, I have not taught you people prepositions. ये in and into का difference मैंने नहीं बताया है. I will explain. Where we will use in or okay, we will have one period for Friday's period will be dedicated to preposition. Is it?
ओके मैम।
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है? हाँ, what is the next wrong?
हम अगला सेंटेंस पढ़ दीजिए।
नहीं, इसी सेंटेंस में एक मिस्टेक है। Which flows into the Indus River just under.
Ma'am, below.
Below होगा.
जस्ट बिलो।
Ma'am, just below.
Just below.
It will be below. Next is Leh. Sorry, Leh district comprises Leh town or. एक मिनट. Have I written something wrong? एक तो sentence clear नहीं हो रहा है. Leh district comprises Leh town. Let me see. Have I written all the sentences? Leh district comprises Leh town or 122 inhabited villages. Fine, it's okay.
अब और की जगह and होगा.
And होगा. ये and होगा. Leh district comprises Leh town and 122 inhabited villages. Clear? यहाँ तक किसी को
यस
कोई
मैम।
यहाँ तक तो किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है?
नो मैम।
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay.
मैम वो जो रिवर वाला सेंटेंस है वो क्लियर नहीं हो रहा।
I didn't get your point. क्या बोले, फिर से बोलो।
जो रिवर वाला सेंटेंस है, which flows into the Indus River.
हाँ, इंडस, देखो अब यहाँ पे समझने की कोशिश करो, which flows into the Indus Valley, in और into, in भी if it is, I say that it is kept in the glass. Okay, water is kept in the glass. If I say in and what is a frog jumped into the river, तो यहाँ पे into क्यों होगा? into इसलिए होगा because motion is there. तो motion अगर होगा तो into use होगा, motion नहीं होगा तो in use होगा. तो यहाँ पे flow हो रहा है ना, तो motion is there, so it is into. और अगर कोई भी चीज एक छोटी one small river is flowing into a big river, तो ये और अंडर, उसके नीचे नहीं, उसके वो अंडर एंड, that's why I told you the both are preposition over there. That's why I told that we will be having Friday's class just for the revision of preposition. Preposition, I don't know it is there in your syllabus or not. It is not in first term. Oh, but preposition is required for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 all the students, है ना? Preposition तो ऐसी चीजें हैं कि सारे बच्चों को चाहिए. So we will have that. No problem. Now I am skipping. One question is there, and that is of jumbled sentences. Should I speak it?
हम लोगों को सेंड कर दीजिएगा, हम लोग उसको सॉल्व कर लेंगे.
Okay, okay. So now next question is, read the following conversation and complete the paragraph by choosing the correct option. चलो option मैं नहीं दूंगी. Just I will be telling you. I will be telling you the conversation and I will be telling you the paragraph. Radha, what are you doing? Mohan, I am working in the garden. Radha, kindly come to me. Mohan, I am very busy. Clear?
Ma'am, please repeat once
Again.
again. Ma'am, please repeat once again.
So it
Yes,
is
ma'am.
question. Should I write it?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम इसमें हम लोग कर लेते हैं, हम डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच का कन्वर्जन कर देते हैं.
हाँ, ये डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट
मूवी ग्रामर का प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगा.
हाँ, तो इसको करा देती हूँ. राधा, what are you doing? राधा, what are you?
मैम सिर्फ 5 मिनट का टाइम बचा है, आप पढ़ दीजिए.
पढ़ी दूँ? Okay.
Yes, मैम सिर्फ 5 मिनट का.
Okay, okay. So Radha asked dash. Mohan replied that dash. Radha requested him dash. Mohan replied that dash. What will be the answer? Direct and indirect. Anyone?
मैम एक बार सेंटेंस
हम सेंटेंस एक बार फिर से बोल देते हैं.
सेंटेंस एक बार फिर से बोल दूं. ओके, sentence is here. What, Radha, what are you doing? Mohan, I am walking in the garden. Radha, kindly come to me. Mohan, I am very busy. And sentence is Radha asked.
Radha asked Mohan, what is he doing?
What was he doing?
What
Radha asked Mohan what he was doing. देखो, Radha asked Mohan what was he doing, what is he doing. ये डायरेक्ट सेंटेंस है, डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन. इसको हम लोग इनडायरेक्ट में चेंज करेंगे. तो पहले क्वेश्चन सेंटेंस को इनडायरेक्ट में चेंज करने के लिए हम लोग इसको वी चेंज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्टेटमेंट. तो इसका स्टेटमेंट क्या होगा? व्हाट ही इज डूइंग. अब ये पास्ट में है. रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच इज इन द पास्ट. सो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच विल बी आल्सो इन द पास्ट. सो राधा आस्क्ड मोहन what
He was doing.
What was he doing?
नहीं, what he was doing.
What he was doing.
What he was doing. What was he doing नहीं होगा, क्योंकि हम लोग
मतलब सिंपल सेंटेंस बना देना है.
हाँ statement we have changed into statement. Next, what was the next sentence? Mohan replied. यही था ना?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Mohan replied. What he replied?
And Mohan replied that
Working in the garden.
he was walking in the garden.
He was
Yeah,
walking in
very
his
nice.
garden.
He was walking in
Mohan
the,
replied that he was walking in the garden.
yes. Next was Radha requested.
Ma'am, Radha requested Mohan
Radha
to come
requested
Please come with me.
and to her.
That
Radha requested to come to her. Mohan replied. What was
Mohan replied that he was busy.
He was very
He
busy.
was very busy.
Very busy.
Okay, done. Did you people understand? यहाँ तक समझ में आ गए?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I am telling you, complete the following paragraph by choosing the correct option. India is dash for unity.
For unity.
India is dash for unity. क्या होगा?
Known for.
Knows new.
Known for unity.
Known for.
India
Ma'am, known
is
for unity.
Known
Yes.
for.
unity. Your dash diversity of
Ma'am,
in
please.
about
In.
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 Yes, unity in diversity. But still, unity is often dominated dash for diversification. By, with, at, for.
Ma'am, एक बार sentence फिर से बता दीजिए.
Ma'am, please repeat the sentence.
But still, unity is often dominated dash. Clue words are by, with, for.
Ma'am, by. Ma'am, by diversification.
By diversification. And or but because.
हम सेंटेंस क्या है?
Ma'am, sentence.
ये है सेंटेंस. यहाँ तो हो गया ना. But still unity is often dominated by diversification dash